Aviator.
Здравствуйте, good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Today we will be going to fly Citabria in practice 3-point landing, so stay tuned and enjoy. Spasiba. See nobody, hear nobody?
Auburn traffic, straight helicopter, low level, just over by the numbers of 25. We'll wait for departing traffic, and then we'll be following the river past numbers of 25.
Okay. A lot more information I needed to know.
Power's good, airspeed's alive. Start allowing the stick to come neutral. There you go.
Auburn traffic, Aero 1406 Tango is about 4 miles to the left. Will maneuver for left 45 entry, runway 7 Auburn.
That will be a taxi back if we land. Remember, all we're really thinking about, right? It's another low-level pass, right?
Right.
If by chance everything in the world went right just at that moment and we landed an airplane,
left base, runway 2.
and we landed the airplane, then we'll get off the runway and taxi back, right?
Right.
But it's just another low-level pass.
Auburn traffic, Skyhawk 734 Delta X-ray, Sunshine Flyers ramp, taxiing to runway 07, Auburn. Auburn traffic, Aero 06 Tango is turning to a 3 mile left 45, runway 7, Auburn.
Let it down. Hold it up. When we let it down, right, you had some power in it?
Yeah.
No, not necessarily get rid of the power, just let that nose down.
Okay.
Because we didn't have a lot of power.
Auburn traffic,
Right, you see how we still had to sync rate with the power that we had?
Yeah.
So the power is fine, you just got to let the nose down, right?
Auburn traffic 06 Tango, turning final runway 7, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473, taking runway 7 for close pattern Auburn. See nobody, hear nobody? I like that phrase, it's a good phrase.
It works, gives you a minute.
Yeah.
Power's good, airspeed's alive.
There we are on it. Gonna wind. Okay, so just a touch of power in there.
Right, so we leave the power, we're going to bring it down into ground effects, right?
Yeah.
And when I say bring it down, let the nose hold it off,
CSP pads.
Oh,
Pilot actually for departure, right downwind to the west, Auburn.
My controls.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Got it?
Yep.
My controls. What was that all about?
I didn't want to get off the runway.
Oh.
Your takeoffs are looking fine.
Yeah.
Really don't feel like getting off the runway if we don't need to waste that time.
Okay.
Although I should have had more right rudder in there.
Yeah. I was looking at the edge there going, okay, well, you know, he's the guy. He's the guy.
I was on my way for that runway light. We'll just call it a runway light inspection. I had to make sure it was all right.
Yeah, it was good.
It still works.
Yeah, I'll change my underwear when we get back. But other than that, we were good, yeah.
Oh, I've had them a lot closer than that.
Helicopter T-Speed 20, just depart the airport, 1 mile southwest. Auburn traffic, Skyhawk 74 Delta X-ray, departing runway 07, left downwind departure, Auburn.
Oh.
If you're going to do it, then do it.
Okay. Okay, we're on glide slope, that's good. We're at 70, that's good. We're going to hold it off, right? So
yep.
Just a touch of power.
Traffic, CHB 21, turning left base 7, Auburn.
There we go. Not landing. Right, you need that touch of power. Go ahead and go. Tail up.
What the hell?
What's that?
Nothing.
Jeremy, 4 Delta X-ray, we've got you Citabria and 5, we'll stay well clear outside, we're departing the pattern to the left downwind.
Just click the mic twice.
Auburn traffic, come on, 2516 Charlie, departing 7, left downwind departure. Auburn traffic, Skylane 930 X-ray, 10 miles southwest inbound. Auburn traffic, Highway 1, left downwind departure from Auburn.
Hold it off. Hold it off.
Up, tail go first.
Well, that's all right, though.
I'll take off.
Yeah, sure. Power's good, tail up.
Auburn traffic to Skylane 01 X-ray, 5 miles west inbound, looking for the Citabria.
Stop.
Citabria.
Citabria.
Now we're 74, 73. Almost to 70.
Auburn, Skylane 01 X-ray, 3 miles, straight in approach, runway 7, Auburn.
Really? Tell
Really?
me. Kill the power.
Power skilled.
Tell them we're turning crosswind.
Citabria 57473 is turning crosswind for, I'm sorry, base for runway 7, Auburn. Left base.
That one.
Where's he at?
I don't know. Tell them to slow the fuck down, though.
I have no idea where this guy's at. Oh, there he is, way over there. Or is that a bird?
Oh, that's him. All right, so what we're going to do is push this over, hit the right rudder.
Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473 is short, final runway 7, Auburn. Okay, we're in glide
Auburn,
slope.
Skylane 01 X-ray, 2 mile final, runway 7, full stop, Auburn, and I have the Citabria in sight.
Okay. Just touch of power.
Let it down. Hold it off.
It's not holding.
It's not holding.
X-ray, 1 mile final, runway 7, full stop, Auburn.
So remember, we want to float it in ground effect, right?
Yes.
So if we need the power, then put the power in.
Okay.
But we don't want to touch the runway. We're a low pass.
Auburn, Skylane 01 X-ray, clear runway 7.
Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473, turning left, base for runway 7, Auburn. Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473, turning final for runway 7, Auburn. On glide slope.
A little bit of power. There you go. Now let it come down. Hold it off. There it is.
Tail wheel again.
Huh?
I said tail
It's
wheel.
not too bad. What you don't want to do is slam that tail wheel down.
Yeah.
Right? Because when my fat ass gets out of here, right, it will pop up on you.
Oh, okay.
So that's what the big thing about the tail wheel first, right? If there's no one back here, and this goes back, right, is that if you hit it hard, right, you'll pop it up, which is an issue, obviously.
Yeah.
Right? So, of course, we love to see the flat ones, but typically speaking, there's always a little bit of tail wheel first before those mains touch.
Oh, one more?
Oh yeah, we got all kinds of time.
Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473 is clear the runway, Auburn. Auburn traffic, Citabria 57473 will be taking runway 7, close pattern, Auburn.
Right, no one's sitting there saying, hey jackass, I'm about to land.
Okay. Hey jackass, I'm about to land.
I've heard it.
Yeah.
I've heard it.
What I should have said there a couple times maybe, but now they were out there enough.
Alright.
Land it.
On the center line.
On the center line.
Power. We have good power. Airspeed's coming alive. Let the tail come forward slightly. A little bit more, a little more. There we go.
And up. Tail forward and up comes quick.
Yep.
On glide slope. Tiny bit fast, but we're coming into it. Hold it off.
Hold it off.
Ah, shit! It's flying Citabria. There's the plane right there. It's a good looking aircraft. So I'm back after flight. I hope you enjoyed Valentine's Day Citabria adventure. And we will see you next time. До свидания.